I'm gonna make a video on my truck today. Back up and give y'all a good look at it here. Start off with my rims. Got Dixie Peck 1 rims with Mudstar mud grips, 17-inch rims, 17-inch tire. I'd like something bigger, but they get the job done. I've just got them. I mean, there's probably maybe 1,000 miles on them, if that. I mean, I've had them all through deer season and all through turkey season. I've recently added these exterior fog or driving lights. These exterior lights right here. They work really well. That's my CB handle and my hunting club name, Shooter. This has just got a Toyota. This has got a V6 in it. It's been in the shop a couple of times. I've done the vents right here, camouflage. I've done EFI on Toyota right here. I've done it in camouflage. I've got a toolbox. I'm not sure what kind it is. My friend gave it to me. Well, his daddy gave it to me actually, because he wasn't using it. It wouldn't fit because, as you can see here, it's touching this right here. It's touching them. So we took these little, I think they were like 2x2s. They were about that much longer, and we could just cut them off and lifted the toolbox up enough with it, and it works great. I mean, it's pretty solid. I mean, it's pretty solid. I'll show y'all what we did. Got some trot line clips. Alright, see right here, these screws right here and the screw right here are drilled into this wood, and then there's a screw drilled through the middle of this down into the body. Yeah, so yeah, so that's where we tried to install a ball mount right here, and it didn't work, so we had to cover it up with something. I'll show you the decals I got. It's just $2. Decals, Ducks Unlimited. Got a Browning one. My dog. Toyota. Salt Life, and there's a Browning over there. You know, and that's just about it. On the outside, I don't know. Hadn't added anything else outside. Well, here's two emblems. Here's Browning and War Eagle. Alright, and here in the interior, we got all Browning interior here. Browning right there. These are the gauges. That's with the light on here. This is your hot and low. This is your oil. That's, yeah, hot and cold. There's your RPM, your speedometer, gas, and battery. I've just got this radio about a year and a half ago. It's a Sony. It's got Bluetooth, H radio, satellite radio. Got a USB port here, and under it is an exhaust. Under here is auxiliary port for your. You can charge your iPod in here. You could charge your iPod. Crown Royal, visor, the buck mark. Got a bobblehead turkey. The AC don't work. Under here, this is your dash dimmer switch, and this is my switch for my exterior lights. Y'all have seen the CB. Y'all have seen the CB right there. Alright, up above here, I've got a blue light installed. If you get the radio up loud enough, it pulses. Which is just stuck up there right now. I'm gonna get some Velcro or something, or some adhesive to stick it up there with. But I was really impressed by the way I wired it, because I was trying to figure it out. I had it back here on this window, but the heat made the adhesive, you know, quit working. It wasn't sticky, so it kept falling down. I was afraid it would bust or break. So this is my CD holder. It's camouflage. And I've got browning across the windshield there. But I was really impressed by the way I wired it, because it runs from here, you know, out of the light, and I run it here inside this. I just pulled this back enough to get the wire inside of it and just work my way down. You might can see it a little bit right in there. It's run across the dash up here. And then you can see the wire right here running back down. It's run back inside the dash, right here. Run down inside here. And if you pull this out, you can see it back in there. Well, I don't know. But the wire's right back in here behind my radio. And the reason why there's a big hole right there is because I had a CB right there at one time, but took it out. I put it back in there from time to time, but that's the light right there, up there. Alright, this is a 300 watt radio, I think. I've got 100 watt speakers here, 100 watt speakers over there on the other side right here. Alright, this is where the magic happens, back here. Two 300 watt, I think they're 9-inch speakers, made by X-Plod. They're not hooked up to an amp, so they don't really beat that well, but they still work good. I mean, they work, you know, for what I use them for. I like them, so. Whenever we bought the truck, the wire for the speakers were already run and everything. I'll just give y'all another quick look around the truck, and then there's the Browning up there. Give y'all a look from the side here again. Of course, you know, we got the whip on there. I just got it back from the shop from having a busted power steering hose, so you know, I had to get that fixed. But hope y'all enjoyed the video, and comment and subscribe.